If you're working with product artworks and still waste too much time and effort on all the technical stuff, then Cway is for you, right?
Yeah. We see artwork management as a flywheel. You create products and then you make big and small changes and design updates over time, over and over again, just to keep up with your market.
Now, Cway enables you to easily handle this entire artwork lifecycle in one single place. Working in Cway is much faster and you get a professional level of structure and security for your design assets. Every aspect is covered. In Media Center, you not only store all your media with easy access, but also organize it in any way you want. And, which is really useful, plan for future projects and changes. When you drag and drop relevant files to the Projects app, your planning automatically becomes an artwork brief to the agency. Add relevant users, and annotate, reject, and approve together until it's all perfect. Press deliver, and it's done. And then just drag and drop it back to Media Center for future use. And move on to the next one.
I'll show you how fast and easy it is.
One click, and you're there. Cway works like your standard desktop. You have the Media Center, users and teams, and the project's windows. You also have a dock for fast access. You can drag and drop almost anything, both from within Cway and into Cway from your computer, like this. Here in Media Center, you have your media structure and all your files. So, when planning, you can open the artwork and leave comments over time. This eliminates ineffective workflows, including post-its, spreadsheets, and lists of future changes. On this artwork, I want to scale up the chili and time. I write a comment, and I will also mark the spot for extra clarity. This way of working automatically creates a future brief for the design agency. So we are back at the Cway desktop. Now let me show you how to start a new project. Select the relevant files from Media Center. Just drag and drop those files to the project window to get a new project started. Fill in the info you want to start your project with in the dialog, such as name and dates, and press Create. All that's left is assigning designers, approvers, and printers to the selected artworks. Choose the Assign Users option. Drag and drop users from the user widget to the user's dialog, and assign some roles. That's it. Your project is now active, and from now on, Cway will send out task notifications to everyone throughout the project, such as this one. The agency uploads new artworks, changing the status to for review, and you and your colleagues can start checking, correcting, and approving the artworks in the viewer window. Here in the viewer, there's lots of smart tools that will make your approval process fast and simple. For instance, comparing between revisions to track changes and switching between artworks to check if the design is implemented consistently. Back in the desktop, when the artwork is approved, it's ready for delivery to the printer you assigned previously. Now, all that's left to complete the flywheel is to drag the updated artwork into Media Center for safe and accessible storage until next time. I hope I made you experience some of the power, speed, and time efficiency of a truly modern and game-changing platform.
Call her.
Yeah, you're welcome.